Today marks a milestone for the preservation of the iTaukei culture as we witness the launch of the Ivolavosa App, putting the iTaukei dictionary at the fingertips of every mobile phone user. The Ivolavosa Vakaviti, or the iTaukei dictionary, was launched by the former president, Ratu Josefa Iloilovatu, on Friday 29th, June 2007. While the iTaukei language has a long and rich history, spread generation to generation through oral tradition, capturing it with ink on paper greatly enhanced the way we teach and learn. Now, with its translation into a mobile application with the Ivolavosa app, we will see that enhanced even further, bringing the iTaukei language into the 21st century. My government is committed to strengthen Fiji as a multiracial society. We strive to pay homage to the cultures and backgrounds that make Fiji a truly inclusive and welcome society, where we can all call ourselves Fijians. It is what makes our nation great. In that vein of inclusivity, it is important to note that the Ivolavosa app will not only benefit iTaukei language speakers. It will allow fellow Fijians that speak other language to better understand the complexities of the iTaukei language, thereby fostering relationships among all Fijians and encouraging social inclusivity. Ladies and gentlemen, I am passionate about building a better and smarter Fiji. Today, I am proud to be launching this app because it is a product of a vigorous pursuit of revolutionizing education in Fiji. My government is constantly looking for new ways to adapt and transform itself to the modern economy with new systems and processes. The Ivolavosa app is certainly a big step in that direction for Fiji as a whole. This app is also testament of my government's commitment of technological advancement and our mission of bridging the digital divide by providing all Fijians with the necessary tools to succeed in a dynamic 21st century economy. The Ivolavosa app will assist in the education of our children from preschool leading up to tertiary studies. The Ivolavosa app will enable the proper teaching of the iTaukei language and culture and the maintenance of the iTaukei mode of expression. The Ivolavosa app will also make it easy for those that would like to learn the iTaukei language, including visitors to our shores and our overseas diaspora, making the iTaukei language known to other parts of the world. During the COP23 in Bonn, we had a number of common iTaukei greetings and words of welcome drawn up on the walls, and many mbulas were exchanged by world leaders as their negotiations were guided by a Talanoa dialogue. With over 40,000 attendees from all over the globe, awareness of the iTaukei language was spread far and wide by COP. The Ivolavosa app will continue to spread that awareness, as anyone around the world can now have easy access to learning the iTaukei language. I urge everyone to continue learning, preserving, and spreading the iTaukei language. In closing, I warmly acknowledge and commend the hard work of the Ministry of iTaukei Affairs and iTaukei Trust Fund Board. Your efforts and innovative thinking drove this change, and I congratulate you for such a noteworthy achievement. So it gives me great pleasure, ladies and gentlemen, to officially launch the Ivolavosa app. Thank you.